In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Coinbase crypto account. Easy step-by-step video. We'll walk through the entire sign-up flow on a web browser so you can get started confidently and safely. First, open your preferred browser and search for Coinbase. Make sure you're on the official site before you proceed. Look for the secure padlock icon in the address bar and the correct domain. If you prefer, you can type the address directly to avoid clicking on ads or lookalike links. Once you're on the homepage, select Sign Up. Depending on the design you see, it may say Get Started, but it leads to the same place. You'll be asked what kind of account you're creating. Most people choose an individual account for personal investing. If you're opening an account for a company, select Business. Just be aware that business accounts typically require additional documentation later. Enter the email address you plan to use for your account, then click Continue. Coinbase will send a one-time code to that email to confirm it's really you. Check your inbox, and if you don't see it, look in spam or promotions. Copy or carefully type the code into the verification field. Never share this code with anyone. Next, create a strong password. Aim for a long, unique passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and consider using a reputable password manager to store it securely. Keep this password private and avoid reusing it from other accounts. Click Continue to move ahead. You'll now provide your first and last name. Enter your legal name exactly as it appears on your identification, since this will help avoid issues during future verification. After that, enter your mobile phone number and click Continue. Coinbase will text you a verification code. Enter that code to confirm your number. This step helps enable two-step security, protecting your account from unauthorized access. That's it, your account is created. From here, you can start verifying your identity. Coinbase may ask for details like your address and date of birth, and may prompt you to submit a government-issued ID. This verification is required by regulations and helps increase your account's functionality and limits. Take your time, follow the on-screen prompts, and ensure the information you provide matches your documents. To wrap up, remember these quick safety tips. Only use the official website or the official mobile app. Keep your login details and verification codes private, and consider turning on additional security options like an authenticator app or passkeys in your settings. You're now set up and ready to continue with verification when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and great job taking your first step into crypto with confidence.